Today we are going to make fireworks, but making it with paint.
Welcome to the next toy world.
Okay, items that you need for this firework project. You need a toilet paper roll. You could use a paper towel roll, paint colors of your choice, scissors, and paper, obviously. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make 2-inch strips. So your toilet paper roll is kind of gonna be like this. Okay. Nick wanted blue.
And green. So you have to put your hands in there.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the toilet paper roll, well, our firework. We're gonna twirl it in the paint. Make sure all the paint is inside.
I'm mixing
Twirl,
it.
twirl, twirl.
I see fireworks. Alright, Mommy, what's next?
We're gonna do another color.
Alright, Mommy, what color are we gonna do? Nick?
Green.
Green is this color right here, kids.
So we're gonna mix it with the same paper.
So it's gonna be a green blue. We got a special guest appearance today. We got Tony, the brother of Nick's Tour World, trying to open up his own pit, make a mess. Nick, you want to make a mess?
Because he's going to mess his shirt off.
You're gonna miss a shirt up, so we're gonna put that cap on pretty tight for you, buddy. Nick, what do you think about this DIY, make your own fireworks with paint and a toilet paper roll?
Yeah!
Enjoy that, huh? All right. Next color is green.
So go ahead and
Twirl it.
twirl it.
Just gonna twirl it.
Make sure it gets all inside.
All right, guys. Everybody out there watching
Keep
this
twirling.
on your phones.
So now you
This
can
is a
put,
do it
just
DIY
place it right there.
fireworks, fun family activity.
My brother was cutting
Your
me.
brother, look at that one. Oh my gosh, we have fireworks on tape.
That's my hair.
It's okay, we'll wash them afterward.
So now if you want, you can mix them.
The parents watching this right now, this is washable paint, highly recommended.
I want to put
Do
my
not get the
hair.
non-washable paint because you have a lot of ruined clothes.
It's like a rainbow color.
Almost, we're gonna do different colors.
And we're going but we're not going to use all of them, but
No, we're not. We're gonna use,
it's right there.
yep, there's more there.
Okay, what color do you want next?
White.
White is the next color.
Yeah. We're going to do pink next.
We're gonna do pink now instead of white because we realize white is not gonna show up too good on a white sheet of paper. So
Because we
Mommy and
did
Daddy
have white.
decided pink is a better color.
We'll use Mommy's favorite color.
Mommy's favorite color.
And
What's your favorite color, Nick?
blue.
So that's my favorite color, and those are my favorite colors too.
And my grandma.
And your grandma's favorite colors.
Okay, go
All
ahead
right,
and twirl
here
it.
we go. Nick's third firework.
Go ahead.
Dun, dun, dun.
Make sure it's all over, splatter it all. Make sure, there you go. Perfect.
Look at that. Woo.
Look at those pretty
You're a
colors.
professional Nick the painter.
How do I have more paint on my hands than Nick
Mommy's
does?
having more fun than the kids.
The baby's like.
Okay.
All right, Nick. Get ready for your pink firework.
Make
I've
sure
never
you-
seen that before.
make sure you
It's
press.
fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Make sure
Here
you
we
press
go.
down.
And 3, 2, 1. Pink firework. Come out. Okay. That's a firework. But Nick's hands look cool. Look. Nick, show your hands. Show your hands to the fans.
I mixed it.
I just rhymes. Show your hands to the fans. Wow, look at that. All right, everyone. This is the turnout of the blue blue, green, and pink fireworks. Good
So
job, Mommy.
pink
Good job, Nick.
was thumbs down. It didn't work too well. But green turned out like a firework. Turned out pretty good. So it's just a simple project. You're bored at home. It's raining. Simple projects to do with the kids. Keep them entertained.
Like it, Nick. Before we end this video, what do you always say to your fans and your friends and family out there in the YouTube world watching you?